Hello kids! Today we are drawing the baby shark's family. So stay until the end of this video to see that big and scary family. Baby shark seems happy. Let's do the mommy shark. Lovely mommy shark. Now our daddy shark's turn. A big family, isn't it? It's painting time. First we use orange and yellow for the baby shark. Now we use red and light pink for the lovely mommy shark. Mommy shark looks amazing. Now it's time for blue and purple for the daddy shark. Let's touch up the colors a little. That big family shark looks very fun and scary. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!